2 weeks ago I tried to make a Euphoric Hardstyle drop in a mere 30 minutes and it was... This week I'm giving myself
3 hours.
Starting at 3 PM and not planning to make a late night, on making a full Euphoric Hardstyle song, and I'm gonna let you guys decide through community posts if this is actually Euphoric Hardstyle or just glorified gym bros shit. For the people who don't know me yet, hey, I'm Sour and I make videos with hardstyle production while pretending this doesn't hurt my actual hardstyle production. Let's begin. So I found this vocal on Vocal and I thought it was pretty cool. So we might need to figure out the BPM of the vocal first. I think this is it. Oh yeah, I might need to stretch it first. So fit the tempo. Wait, no. Set the BPM from the project to what we want to do. And Euphoric Hardstyle used to be 150, but... Okay, so I think this entire vibe is just great to work with. I want to go for this kind of retro kind of feeling. And of course Euphoric Hardstyle is as well. So we need to have the chords figured out first. And I usually try to figure out the chords on a more distinct part. So either like a actual like chorus, so like this for example. I think that could be the bass line, so let's get a nice chord sounding sound. Let's make it a bit more easy to hear, so let's turn on the mod wheel. Hell yeah! Let's make the actual chords. So if you don't know how to do this, check my fucking tutorials. Holy shit, like, you're setting yourself up for failure at this point. Like, at this point it is on you. So far so good. Okay, so this is obviously like way too much, like sound wise, so I'm gonna automate this. And simple automation like this just makes a track, right? It is shameful like how good this works. I'm just EQing the parts that kind of like are not needed in the vocal, so like the lows we can't hear and the highs we can't hear. And this is the first one, this is not meant to color anything in, right? So then we're gonna compress this because the volume is all over the fucking place. So I think I'm gonna transpose the entire song, which is not gonna help with the natural sounding sound of the vocals, but so be it. Yeah, let's do pitch down by 4 semitones, or 400 cents. Yeah, like that.
Misfortunes are now, I'm ready for good. There's something so bright.
So in case you don't know what the vocoder is, god fucking damn it, help yourself. So a vocoder pretty much is a way to draw your vocals to a certain synth sound. It's almost like making the synth talk with the vocal profile.
You feel to be afraid. I'm here, it's for real. Stop breaking it now.
Okay, so I've added some drums, and with some drums I mean I spent quite a lot of time on it, right? So we've got this basic kick drum, we've got this great snare, we've got these cool hi-hats. Okay, it's melody time. Time to actually make some hardstyle. Holy shit. So let's see, how am I going to do this? I'm gonna grab a nice sounding sound. To be afraid, and I know that you're real. Stop breaking your love. Let's make the chorus a bit more interesting first, because this is fine, but it's fucking boring and it doesn't really spark anything for me, which might be a me problem, but hey, I'm making this, so... Hell yeah, let's fucking layer this. Let's give it its full. Okay, I have done some layering and I'm mostly pretty happy with it. So I'm gonna let you hear them in solo first. We got this one, we got this one, we got... And you all play the same thing because it's euphoric, and I don't think... Like, it sounds weird, but most, like, actual euphoric songs, I don't think they actually have harmony layers. Correct me if I'm wrong, but like melodies like this, often you don't really hear them. So for the melodies, we just got this. Then we got like the chord layer, which is like just playing chords with the same rhythm, and the bass. And the bass.
I know what you feel to be afraid.
So these plugs are really fucking annoying, right? They are really nice and warm, but they are too warm. Like, if I don't fuck them up a little bit, like with an EQ, they're just gonna ruin everything they're like combined with. So I'm gonna give them quite a heavy low cut. I'm gonna give them some, not distortion, maybe distortion, but not now. Some delay, a really fast one actually.
I know.
Like, just notice how this tickles your ears, right? And especially around this, the 200 to 300 Hertz region is just gonna make everything fucking muddy, and I don't like that. I need to color this in a bit later, but for now, like, we have our intro. This needs work, a lot of work, like just to make it sound more not dead. Then we got this actual break part.
I know what you feel. Stop breaking your love. Stop breaking your love.
Then after this part I want to pull back, so it gets a bit quieter, no bass anymore.
Stop breaking your love.
Bit pulled back, right? And then after that,
I know what you feel to be afraid. I'm here, it's so real.
hell yeah, we've got our first.
Misfortunes and now
I'm ready for good. Let's actually make our life a little bit easier by just organizing this a little bit, right? It is fucking annoying to work with this. Like, it looks impressive for YouTube and whatever, so that's why I like got myself into a couple of bad habits, just because it looks better for YouTube, which is like the worst excuse ever made.
Light my way. So
Let's do something with this, because this sounds really boring so far, and like the not boring part just sounds fucked.
misfortunes and now I'm ready for misfortunes and now I'm ready for good. There's something so bright. There's something.
I'm gonna automate the pre on this fast disc, because you can create really cool like
Misfortunes and now
textures with it.
every day.
The vocal lacks a lot of spice, holy shit, and I think I'm gonna just fuck it up, to be entirely honest with you.
There's something so bright to light my way.
Okay, so I honestly do not have any inspiration for making a second melody. I thought I had a great idea, but it just didn't really work. So instead of like dwelling on it, which is something that I usually do, I'm just gonna do some basic shit that like I have to get out of the way anyways. So
Stop breaking your love.
fuck. Okay, so I've made a second melody and I thought it was really cool, and then I checked it out in the drop. Like, it's just based on the ARP, but it just sounds fucked.
Stop breaking your love.
Okay, so right now we've got a pretty good start, right? We're only like 2.5 hours in.
Stop breaking your love.
So I'm just gonna borrow a lot of stuff from each other. I'm gonna make the build up a bit more full. And I'm gonna decide if how long is the song? Yeah, 2 minutes 30 is long enough, I think. The second half of the drops needs some extra spice, so I'm gonna borrow my own drums because I think that's just the best policy. But first, let's do the build-ups because I think then we have more drums to borrow. Let's see. Like, honestly, hi-hats are my favorite way to add texture to fucking anything. They just add so much groove to something, right? It's impressive. Okay, it's time for kick rolls, and honestly I think we're pretty much there then. Holy shit. Did we just make a song in fucking 3 hours? Yeah, less than that. Holy shit, this is pretty fun. So I deliberately had like a off-key note in the melody there. And I think it's a shame if you don't accompany it with a kick. Let's see, this is 7. Holy shit. Okay, we have 15 minutes left, and we're gonna use these 15 minutes wisely. We're gonna use them to kind of optimize this for both loudness, and let's fucking give this a mix intro as well. And this is why it's so important to have percussion, right? Because right now for the mix intro, we didn't do fucking shit. And oh, let's get some risers in there as well, because risers tend to make this sound less shit. Okay, mix intro is also done. And let's connect the whole thing together. Cool, how long do we have? Let's use the 10 minutes on the build-up. God damn it. Fucking words are difficult. Let's make this one sound fucked, because I like that. Let's use the Kilohertz Bit Crusher. Okay, fuck. I think we're fucking there. Okay, I'm gonna just export this. I'm honestly really nervous. I made a fucking song in under 3 hours, which is really weird, because I never fucking finish songs. Fuck, euphoric banger in a day. I hope the title isn't misleading. I'm really nervous. I'm gonna press play starting from there.
Misfortunes are now, I'm ready for good. There's something so bright to light my way. So help me to reach the side of the moon. And let's just escape from every day. I know what you feel, to be afraid. I'm here, it's for real. Stop breaking your love. Stop breaking your love. Stop breaking your love. To be
I honestly cannot believe I pulled this off in like fucking 3 hours. Holy shit. Like, if you have any questions, you can of course leave them in the comments. Video suggestions, just telling me I suck because I think it's really funny. Telling me I don't suck because I think that's really sweet. And with that being said, it was a true pleasure to be your host once again. Until we meet again.